Yep.
Okay, so my name is Mark Smith. I'm the high school teacher at Reed Custer High School, and this is Katie. She works for the Architectural Woodwork Institute, which is one of our supporters, and she's the vice president of marketing and membership. And we have just handed them a thank you certificate right there because they're a great supporter of ours. They have been for years and years and years. And we're going to ask Katie here a question, which we're going to ask of all our supporters. And Katie, the question is, why does the AWI support education?
Well, we support education because it's the lifeblood of our industry. If we don't support education, our industry will die, and we need to build up that next workforce.
Wonderful. Well, again, thank you so much for AWI support over the years. It's made all the difference in our program.
Thank you.
And that's it.